Nice to see you on this Friday evening. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone in for Bob Harrigan tonight. And look at these temperatures. Can't beat this for a Friday evening, right? 76 here in Sarasota, 77 in Inglewood, 73 in Punta Gorda. And you know what? These temperatures could actually be our highs as we get in the mid next week. We'll talk about that in just a second. As far as the radar goes, everything looks pretty quiet. Earlier today, we had some scattered showers that moved from east to west, but nothing doing here on our radar at this time. So what's on tap for us? Breezy night tonight. We'll show you that in just a second. Some of these winds are cranking up to about 15 to 17 miles per hour right now. Sunny and breezy for tomorrow, at least the first half of tomorrow. Then I think the winds will start to calm down. And then another front's going to come in here to bring us widespread rain and cooler temperatures as we get in the mid next week. How about the high today? Topped out at 87 degrees, above the average of 84. No rain to speak about today. And as you can see, we're closing in on that deficit of a 2-inch mark. So looks like this cold front coming our way as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week will help put a dent in that deficit. 17 mile per hour of a sustained wind here in Anna Maria Island right now. 14 miles per hour sustained in Siesta Key. So we do have those breezy conditions coming in from the east and northeast around the Sun Coast. And at least for the first half of our Saturday, it will be breezy as well. And then things start to calm down. But a few passing clouds on Saturday. Sunday, a little more shower activity pops up on the radar on our futurecast, and then as we get into Monday and into Tuesday, this is what's going to happen. This cold front here that we're looking at here in the Pacific Northwest, this is actually going to slide all the way down here to the southeast and bring us the clouds and the showers. But behind the cold front, there's some very cooler air behind it. So it's going to filter down here to the southeast, and that is going to be the culprit here, or what's responsible for giving us highs in the mid-70s. So looking pretty good there. Tropics are quiet now, but there's a system that has not developed yet, but it will, looks like it will, in the middle of next week. And that's looking to develop here in the Western Caribbean and then track up in the Gulf of Mexico. But it's going to be picked up by a front, a lot of wind shear with it, and it's going to tear the thing apart. So it's not going to be organized, but it will bring us some widespread rainfall as we get into next weekend and maybe some gusty winds. So just something to watch out for. 2 to 4 feet for the seas, moderate chop in the bays. We'll show you the outlook as we get in the next several days. And there's that cold front coming down to bring us the shower activity and then the cooler air by the middle of next week. So looking very fall-like in this forecast.